How to start a blog with AI and actually make money. Starting a blog used to take weeks. Writing articles manually, learning search engine optimization, struggling to get traffic, and waiting months, sometimes even years, for results. Now, AI has completely changed the game. You can build a blog, write content, optimize for search engines, and even monetize it much faster than before. But here is the truth that most people don't say: AI does not make you money automatically. It will speed up the work, but strategy still decides the income. So, in this guide, I will show you how to start a blog using AI tools and actually turn it into a money making asset. So, let's get into it. Now, an AI blog is not a robot blog, it is a normal blog where AI is going to help you generate articles, write drafts faster, optimize your search engine optimization structure, create titles and outlines, improve readability. You are still the editor and strategist. AI is simply your assistant, not your replacement. Now think of it like this: you are the publisher, AI is your writing team. So before writing anything, you need a niche. A niche is pretty much your blog topic category. Good AI blogs niches include tech tutorials, finance and money tips, AI tools and software guides, health and fitness tips, online business and freelancing, productivity and self improvement. Avoid any type of random blogging because random content is going to be random income. A focused niche is going to be targeted traffic and higher earnings. Now, for your blog platform, you have two main options. There's a WordPress, which is best for long-term search engine optimization and control. And then there's Blogger, which is a more simpler, beginner-friendly. So for serious blogging, WordPress is the better choice, but if you are a beginner, Blogger is the way to go. So you're going to need a domain name, hosting provider, installation, and once everything is set up, your blog becomes digital property. Now, to start things off, first and foremost, let's say if we're going to choose blogger.com in this case, you're going to come over to your theme. Now, in your theme, you're going to click on customize, and this is where you can start working on different things. So, of course, there's going to be your template, there's going to be your layouts, there's going to be how you can work with this. So, their main color theme, then there is your general body background color, fonts, visited link colors, then there's different types of gadgets, etc. So, it all depends on how you work along with it and how you pretty much see it as your very own work. Now, once everything has, pretty much been streamlined and loaded up right here as so, what you're simply going to do is you're going to start working on your blog design. Now, for AI to be integrated, you can use pretty much any AI, but for blogging purposes, I would recommend Claude or Gemini because they work best when it comes to your general, writing purposes. So once we're here, what we can do is we can describe it. So I have a health tips blog on a Blogger. I want you to give me 10 post ideas with proper SEO and keywording, meanwhile being helpful. So we're going to go ahead with that and we're going to send it in. Now, once you send it in, it's going to search the web and everything's going to come over here. So first of all, let's say you have helpful blog posts. Now we have nutrition and energy. We have fitness and longevity. Now, it's not only going to give us the actual post, but it's also going to go ahead and give us the title ideas, long tail keywords, secondary keyword, and the helpful angles. So I'm going to go create a post for one. Now, once we do that, as you can see, it's going to give us a fully written post. Now, in this written post, you have a title, you have the general, definitions along it. And now what you can do is also generate an image for it. So once we do this and our image is generated, basically what has happened is we've created a whole blog post without actually doing anything ourselves. All we did was simply prompt the AI, and the AI did the rest for us. That is how simple and straightforward using AI actually is. So I'm going to go ahead and download this image. Once we've downloaded the image, now we can start working with these over here. So copy the title first and foremost. Come here. We're going to click on New Post. Once we click on New Post, you're going to come over to Title. And once we click on Title, I'm going to go ahead and paste. So here is our blog title. Now in this is the general body of it all. I'm going to copy all of this. And once we copy all of this, now don't just paste it just as so. You're obviously going to want to format it as you go on. Now, all of this that we are going to create, this is going to be, let's say, bold and italicized text. I'm going to italicize it right here. Now, we're going to add some spacing. And let's go ahead and make this bolder as well. So you make this bold, and then we have this. And then just as so, you're going to go ahead and efficiently make those spacings. And you're probably wondering, like, it's not really showing anything over here, right? Don't worry. This is the editorial part. The actual preview part is something you're going to enjoy. You're probably going to be pretty surprised at how Blogger actually makes things work and pop off. So make this bold, add a spacing, and once everything is done, you're going to finally upload your image. So over here, I'm going to go ahead with image. Image is going to be, let's say, the first thing that I want in my blog, right? So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Come here, and I'm going to upload the image. So I'm going to click on upload from computer. Of course, I already have it in my downloads that I downloaded from Gemini. And all I'm simply going to be doing is I'm going to be adding a photo for myself. Because, of course, adding an image makes your blog just much more, you could say, straightforward, streamlined, and it's more attractive to the audiences. So let's say I'm going to go with large, and let's keep it centered. We do that. And once all of this is done, you can first of all go ahead and preview the post to see how it is actually looking. Is it looking nice? Is it popping off? So once we click on preview, you're simply going to wait for the generator to preview your image. And there you go. There's your title. And as you can see, this is your post. Of course, you can work with the editorial systems of it, but that is about it. So once everything is done, click on publish, and there you go. So starting a blog with AI is easier than ever, but success still depends on the strategy, niche selection, SEO, and consistency. AI helps you move faster, but you still kind of decide what you build and how valuable it is. So if you treat your blog like a real business and not a quick shortcut, you can turn this into a long-term income asset. Start small, publish consistently, and improve over time. So that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.